Hello and welcome to Quirky Cat Crafts. This is Sherry and this is part 5 of my clear stamp storage and share. So this first binder is labeled Ocean. Okay. So we've got mermaids and ocean animals. Some more ocean animals, some more mermaids, beach themed sets. I don't know, this one's kind of weird. It's got like it's got a guy in a really old scuba diving and he's holding a mermaid in his arms. I never noticed that. I haven't used that one. Got the treasure chest on there. Some more mermaids, seashells, ocean animals, some waves on there. Some more beach themed. Summertime. This is in here because of the lighthouse, and there's like beach chair and an umbrella and stuff, but then there's also like cabins and a windmill. It's kind of a weird set, but I put it in here because of the lighthouse. So, and then this one's just a lot of words, but flip-flops on there. Got some scuba divers, snorkelers, anchors, some more treasure chests. Some more beach related, like I don't know, I'm in Kansas. Beach stuff is not in my normal vocabulary. What's that called? Like the little changing room or whatever? Yeah, anyway. Some palm trees and surfboards, another lighthouse. And we got some, hi Garfield. He's just camped out underneath my desk right now. Sorry, you guys. Some kind of ship related. You float my boat. That makes me laugh. Okay, some more ship stuff. Another mermaid set. Obviously, I need to go through this binder and put things in a better order. Some like pirate related sets. This is another one of those weird random ones, but mostly because of the snorkel and mask is why I put it in here. And it's kind of summer related to some extent, but I don't know, it's kind of a weird set. Another day at the beach kind of set. And then we've got some smaller ones. I do not know why we have penguins in swimsuits, but sure, why not? Okay. Life's a beach. I like that stamp. Some more like little kids. Sandcastle. And then we've got stencils. And I really need to put dividers in this. There's a whole bunch of pirate related ones here. Gold coins. Hook, pirate flag, there's a pirate, sabers, pirate ship, treasure map, did I say that already? And again on this side there's treasure chest and like a compass and stuff, so. And some more summer related that I know are probably not too visible. Mostly palm trees, looks like. A mermaid. Sailboat, flamingo. And some ocean animals, fish, and a crab. So that is my ocean binder. I guess I should rename it summer or beach or something, but I know what's in it. Okay. And as long as you know where to find your stuff, that's all that matters. All right. This next one is labeled Nature. Okay. So we got some fishing themed stamp sets, camping, and we got like rock climbing. These sets are part of stamp sets that I purchased from a company called Global Land, Globleland. They are on Amazon. They have their own page on there. I recommend them. Look them up. You can buy, I know I got a lot of these outdoor sets when they had like a bundle of like 15 different sets for like $18. I mean, it was like $1 something a set. So look for those for sure. That's what almost all of these are. So we've got archery, mountain biking, and camping stuff. Native American, safari, jungle. Most of my jungle animal sets are in the baby binder. We'll get to that. Not this video, but the next one. But this is in here because it just kind of goes with the outdoors theme, you know, as opposed to just jungle. So, and we've got skiing. And then we kind of go into animals, you guys. Well, that is nature, right? Right. So, of course, we have our Arctic animals. But we also have a explorer, I suppose. And then up here, we've got some forest animals. Some more forest animals. Trees. Kind of landscapey ones. This is just like a lake, and then there's a cabin here. These are kind of, I don't know, they're cutesy. They're, again, from Global Land. But this has like a porch swing and a birdhouse and a tree. And then these animals, I don't know. There's a bear with a shovel, and there's a rabbit in clothing. It's just kind of hodgepodge cutesy. So, but I've tried to keep all of my forest animals together. Although this does have cat. But because it's kind of foresty, and like there's girls on this one, but there's also animals. So I put it in here. This one's actually a Happy Birthday Easter set. But again, it's in here because of the sheep and the bunny. It could go in my Easter, in my holiday one. But I know it's here. And then we've got some like cartoon animals, rabbits and squirrels. Another one that's kind of Easter with the chick and the rabbit. And there's eggs in a basket. So that should probably be an Easter also. But right now it's in here. Same with this. But again, I know where they are. So that's what's important. Okay. Picnic. Another picnic one. Various trees and leaves. More forest animals. A little camping set. And then I just got this one. And again, could go in Easter, but we're going to leave it in here. And then a bigger camping set. And then just a random trees that I've never used. I don't even know why I hang on to that set, to be honest with you. But you never know. I think I held on to it for the branch because I can add bird stamps to it. I think that's why I was thinking I held on to it. So, kind of outdoor activities, and animals. Forest animals. Okay. And so that one is nature. Okay. Well, this next one is garden. And it's primarily going to be birds and bugs and flowers. So lots of birds, bird houses, bird cages. Some more birds, gardening type stuff, flower pots and whatnot. Flowers. Some funny birds, cutesy birds. Birds and butterflies. Birds, bugs, and butterflies. Yep. And flowers. So. Okay. Whole lot of butterflies. I don't know. I can't seem to make myself let butterfly ones go. I don't know why. It's like this set, these are awful big. But I hang on to them. I kept this one because it has little dragonflies and whatnot in it. So another one of those side load pages that drive me nuts. Some more birds and bugs, snails, mushrooms, cartoon bugs where they have like smiley faces. Some more birds. This could go over in the animals one, but I put it here because of the bird and the flowers. Again, I know where it is. Got some inchy flower stamps. So these are 5x7 page protectors. I bought them off Amazon. I also bought pre-cut white cardstock in 5x7 to slide into the pockets. And then I also got the binders off of Amazon. And I will put the links to those 3 items in the description box. So if you want to try this method for clear stamp organization, it would also work for stickers. Then you'll be able to find the same products that I got. So these are all like Hampton Art coloring stamp sets. So I'll do these, like I'll do the whole thing, color it, and then cut it into pieces and make mosaics out of it that way. So again, more of the coloring stamp sets. And then these are all little stamps that came with those sets. And I kept losing them, they kept falling out. And so what I did was I put them in Ziploc bags. And then I taped the image to the cardstock. Okay. And some more birds and bugs. A couple of owls. I need to cut out cardstock for these size pockets. Some more random flowers. And then we got some stencils, butterflies, flowers, picket fence. I know these aren't real visible, but they're bugs and flowers, basically. I don't have a whole lot of those. There's also a little turtle, because I kind of think of turtles and frogs and snails, amphibians, I guess, going in the garden. So this is the garden binder. And when I talk about why do I keep these, you should see how many sets I made myself get rid of. But as you can see, this binder is pretty well full. There is not room for anything else in there. Alright, one more for this video. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you've heard me say how one of these days I'm going to do a holiday mosaic set with my gnome stamps. So here's my gnome binder. So sneak peek of what will be getting used. Alright, So these first two sets are just houses. They're really small and very detailed. Like this one is a Santa hat. This is an apple. That's a pumpkin. That's an acorn. But when I do my mosaics, I'll do a house that will match the holiday. So like this one's a teapot, so I would probably use it for Easter, things like that. So, okay. And then these are kind of in a semblance of order. These first two are, this is beer and also beer, my bad. I was thinking I had a coffee one. I think it's later on in the book, but oh no, this one is the coffee one. I saw gnome brewed and the brew went, I don't even drink, so I don't even know why it went to beer for that, but that's the coffee one. And that's beer. So many beers, so little time. Okay. Then we've got just some sunflowers, which I'm in Kansas, so that would work well for just like a welcome. And then some more, we're in flower pot. He's got a wheelbarrow. Okay. And then we've got a set of ladybugs. And then this is just a general set where a lot of mushroom kind of stuff. Okay. And then this one is a good example of how sometimes you get ones where the sayings don't make any sense. Like this one says, loving you is closely to my love. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. No need to have reason to love you. Well, I guess that's kind of sort of grammatically correct. But anyway, most of my stamp sets, as I said, come from, I don't know if I said it in this video, you guys, so if I already did, I'm sorry. Global Land, Globleland. So, and you can find them on Amazon. All right, so this is birthday. So they got balloons, driving a truck with packages in it. There's birthday cake. This one could be partially Valentine's, but I would use it for like the New Year's Eve. So with the words, let's celebrate together. Or that's removable and I could just put Happy New Year in there. So birthday and New Year's. Then we go into Valentine's Day. So they're all like, he's got bow and arrow. They're rubbing noses. They're rubbing noses. Okay, Valentine's Day. A couple more Valentine's Day ones. Okay. Then we've got one for St. Patrick's Day. So they're like kind of leprechaun-like. And then got one for Easter. And I have more for Easter on the next page. So they all have little bunny ears coming out of their hats. Okay. A couple more Easter ones. Again, they all have bunny ears. Can't really use them for anything else because they all have bunny ears. Okay, so these are kind of in order of the calendar. So like after Easter would be like summer. So these are some summer themed, beach themed. Got a gnome on a surfboard. Got a gnome holding a surfboard, sitting on the beach. With a floaty on. Okay, eating watermelon. Okay, and then this is Father's Day and Mother's Day. So you've got the mother pushing the buggy, or you've got father with a daughter kind of deal. All right, then we got 4th of July. Okay. Another 4th of July over here. Then we've got like a back to school theme. So, got like teacher and graduate and studying. Could also be used for like Teacher Appreciation Day too. Another teacher one. Or student one, school one, whatever. So in my mind, I'm thinking August for that. Maybe September. Okay, then we've got Halloween. So, okay. Got some gnomes and costumes. There's a witch, a couple of witches, and a mummy and a vampire. And then these are, like, this is Halloween because he's got candy on his hat and above his head. Doesn't necessarily, it just says party here, so I guess that could be, you know, birthday or something too. And then this one's got a pumpkin, but there's also spider web on this one. So they were listed as Halloween, but fall, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, then we've got Thanksgiving. So we got like a scarecrow and one leaning against a basket of pumpkins. Okay. And then we've got some Christmas ones. Oh no, this one's still fall. I'm sorry. This one's still pumpkins and wheelbarrow of pumpkins. Pumpkins and sunflowers. That seems to be the fall thing. So another type of gnome house there. Then we get into Christmas. So we've just got some general gnomes that are with their mittens on and bells on the ends of their hats and stuff. So, North Pole. Okay. Another Christmas one says Merry Christmas. Very Santa-like. This one's got all the Christmas lights. He's all tangled up in them. That's kind of funny. This one says Christmas, but the gnomes are very neutral, so they can be used on any theme. So they've got like mittens or just regular hands, and you put them on the beard, so like their hands are poking out of their beard. So you can use those for pretty much anything. Okay, another Christmas one. Couple more Christmas ones. Chilling with my gnomies. Gnome for the holidays. I'll be gnome for Christmas. Yeah, so. Okay. One more Christmas one. Got 3 gnomes stacked up. Presents and a tree and the star and ornaments and whatnot. Then I didn't realize how big these were when I ordered them. So they are rather large, and I don't know that. I mean, I guess I could cut it, you know, and make it like 3 separate ones. That's a possibility. But there's like a spring kind of flowers, and then there's like a winter one with snowflakes and whatnot. And then I pulled this out of a different binder because I'm going to throw it in here because it's a gnome stencil. So, all right. So that is my gnome binder. And there's more gnome sets coming out, and I keep telling myself I don't need any more. Like right now it's all Easter sets, and so there's like 6 or 7 Easter sets that I don't have, but I'm like, but I already have 1, 2, 3 sets. I don't need more. And so I have to just keep telling myself I have enough. I don't need more. That's what I keep telling myself. Hopefully I can stick with that because this binder is pretty full. Not a whole lot more room in that one. All right, so that's it for this video, you guys. And I have 2 more to do. So I'll be back with the next one here in a little while. Thanks so much for watching.